Another day, another beautiful morning, and we're out on the highway. In fact, we're on National Highway 72 at a place called Aravala.
You're with us on Highway on My Plate. We're on our way to Rishikesh and Haridwar in search for that elusive Uttar Pradeshi food. So bring your plate.
Kaddus. It's either the kaddus, or we could go to the water disco and dance with these men.
In their underwear.
Yeah. What do you think it is, though, water disco?
It's a water amusement park, I assume.
No, it's actually an assumed park you amuse. So what do you think it's going to be, Mayur? Is it going to be the kaddu or these fine fellows?
I'm vegetarian. Kaddu. I love kaddu.
You think?
Beautiful.
You think?
It's favorite. Kaddu's that way.
I'll tell you, I can hear water coming.
Kaddu's that way.
We made it all the way down National Highway 72, and now we're standing on the famous Ram Jhula.
We've escaped from the little party that we ran away from, and we're on to another party. We are on our way to the Chotiwala Dhaba, which is the most famous eating place in this whole area, and we include Dehradun, Haridwar, Mussoorie, and what?
Rishikesh.
And it's vegetarian.
Yeah, but I don't mind this vegetarian. So I still remember the spices, and I still remember the masalas, and I still remember the preparations, which were brilliant.
They've been in operation for 50 years. They claim to be ISO 9000 certified, and they have 50 lakh smiling customers.
50 lakh and 2 laughing ones. That's us. But this is the holy belt, all the way down from Rishikesh, going down to Haridwar. This is an area where there's no meat, no chicken, no eggs, no alcohol, and actually you quite appreciate it that way. It's the most beautiful, calm, serene place, as you can see behind us. There are ashrams all along the river banks. It's truly a magnificent river, the holiest river in the world, the Ganges, or the Ganga, as we like to call it. And we're going to go and see if we can jump off somewhere into the river and cleanse our sins away. You need to be in the water for a long time.
Is that before or after we eat?
That's a good question. I think the amount we're going to eat is going to be sinful, so it's better if we do it after we finish eating. What do you think?
Without much further ado, food is that way.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is Chotiwala. Shows he. I saw my.
I'm getting there. Chotiwala. It's very famous. It's established in 1958 by two brothers. It used to be one full restaurant. Since then, the second generation seems to have had a split. Maybe they didn't agree on the masalas and stuff.
You might not be able to hear me too well because there's a lot of bhajans and a lot of aarti going on right now. There's a lot of noise. But we'll try our best to bring you everything.
And we'll try even harder to make sure that we wade our way through some more food.
Yes. And before we do that, we'd like to introduce you to the concept of the Indian welcome.